Okay, bye.
What are you doing, Xavier?
Xavier.
What are you doing, Xavier?
Careful. He's bouncing. He's Spider-Man.
Cheese. Say cheese.
Here, say cheese. Teeth?
Cheese.
Teeth? No, he won't say it. What? Oh, he's sweet. Oh my god. Oh my god, he's gonna fall off the back way.
Then he's gonna fall off the couch.
He did. A few minutes ago. He wasn't sure if he was supposed to cry. He was like,
maybe I should stop
looking
filming.
at me. And he was like, oh. Xavier. God, oh, it scares me.
That was a good one.
Xavier.
He's showing off.
Yeah, he is. He's trying to show off for Daddy.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Okay.
Good.
Watch out.
Oh.
Ooh, heart attack.
Oh, you're blocking. That's the farthest he's got so far. Wow.
His cheeks are all red. Oh. Oh.
What a wild boy.
Xavier. Hey. Oh my god. He's getting too tired to do this.
Yeah, I can see his movement getting all sloppy.
What a ham. What a little ham. Oh! Whoa. That was a big jump.
Alright, I'm done filming.
I think you need to baby burrito. Make a baby burrito.
No.
No.
A baby burrito.
Aww.
Do not like it.
Eee. Okay, we're all done. What's today? April 2nd?
Yes.